So there are many ways to change color or change yarn. I will just show you one way that I prefer. So when you are at the end of the row, before you make your turning chain, you simply just add the new color, the new yarn, like so. Twist or turn your work. Grab the long strand, not the short one. And I'm doing half double crochets. Just do like this, and then you just tighten it up, and it looks quite nice and neat from both sides actually. So this is a very easy way to change color. I will do it one more time. Okay, so here you are at the end of the row, and instead of making a turning chain like you usually would, you just add the new color, pull it through the loop, turn your work, and then you just continue as normal actually with the new color. And you can tighten it so you can see how nice it looks. This is the best way to change a color, I think.